Hi, I'm Donovan.
And I'm CG, and we're Two Lovebirds Workshop.
And this is our first YouTube video for our brand new channel. In this video, we're going to go through creating a new sign for our logo, Two Lovebirds Workshop. Right now we're going through a rebranding phase, and this is for a couple different reasons. Number one, we felt like the Dusty Mill name didn't really capture what we were trying to do with our business and us as a couple running our business. Number two, this allows us to align with the blog that we already currently run on our website, which is already named Two Lovebirds Workshop. So let's jump into this video and show you how we make this sign.
Let's go.
Now I'm going to sand the front and the back with 120 grit sandpaper using the rotary sander. And then I'm going to sand just the front with 220 grit. This will give us a smooth finish on both the front and the back. And once we do 220 on the front, this will give us a smoother finish just on the front. Since the back isn't really going to be seen or be touched, it'll be okay. Now that we sanded it front and back, I'm going to apply shellac. This will seal the wood as well as provide a good base for the paint to stick to and give us a nice smooth finish. For that paint, I'm just using a cheap brush from Lowe's or Home Depot that you can get. We're going to apply this, let it sit for an hour, and we're going to come back and do a final sanding before going to the CNC machine. That's dry for an hour now. We're just gonna go back and hit just the top layer with 220, just one pass through, just to knock off the top layer, and then we'll start cutting this piece of wood. sign is done, it's off the machine. Now I'm just going to use my roto sander with 220 grit on it just to knock off the remaining dust before I go to paint prep. Alright, now I've got all the pieces sanded, got all the dust off of it. Most of them I have to end up wiping it down just a little bit. Now I'm going to do the paint prep, and I'm going to use a trick that I've seen many people use on Instagram to hold down the pieces so that when you start spray painting they don't go flying all over the place. So what I'm going to do is take a piece of painter's tape and put on each board just to hold down the pieces. Alright, now that we got the pieces prepped for paint, I just want to go over the paint colors real quick and how we chose the paint colors. So I have a t-shirt here that we recently ordered that depicts all of the colors. The background circular part is going to be a dark navy blue. Looking here at this, the ring around it, this purple seal, we actually chose plum because we felt like that closely matched. Strictly based off the way that the t-shirt color looks here. The T is going to be this golden sunset, the L is going to be this popsicle orange, and the B is going to be this poppy red, as well as the birds and the hearts. So let's get to painting.
comes the exciting part. We get to remove the old brand and replace it with the new brand. And I have to crawl inside of a CNC machine to get it done. So let's go. All right, I'm in here. I got in, it was a struggle. I had to be careful with all the wires, but it's a good thing that Donovan built this strong because it can hold him and me. So now Donovan's in the back and he is going to unscrew the old logo. We're going to take it off and then we're going to put up the new logo. So here we go. TLB is live. Thanks for joining us.